record this, so you'll be afraid. I have evidence. Mandarin is there? Yeah. Then it's good.
Oi, what the heck?
Cannot be out? What did you do there?
Doing it the wrong way.
So it's not charged.
Now it's broke.
What's happening there? Maybe use a screwdriver.
No, it's not working, the screwdriver.
Maybe you tighten it instead of loosen. Baby, charge that first. Maybe it's not charged. Just take it out this here first, oh. The easy part.
Baby, that one is why I charged this.
Dami ng ano dito, oh. Kalat. Our apartment.
Restaurant siya natin.
May layhayon. What is broke? You overturn it?
It's turning like that. But I won't be able to...
Uy, you're gonna break it.
No, like that is fine.
Noon time naman ron, this is not good morning anymore. Noon time na, oh, nag-lipstick pa ko. Kahapon, grabe guys, one day, whole day, akong, kaput, broke,
Screws are broke.
Screws are broke. Hindi pa natapos si Mayor dyan. Whole day ako na nagsusuka, tapos yung ulo ko, ang sakit-sakit, as in whole day talaga ako, tapos nagising ako, gumigising lang ako para uminom konti ng tubig, and then suka na naman ako. Baka buntis ako, maybe I'm pregnant. And then I did at hindi ako hindi ako dinatnan para ba, halak ka. Pero nag-pills man ko. May pills man tayo. Yeah, right. Meron akong isang pregnancy test dito eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan ko nalagay. Makulbaan. Pero I don't think na ako. I still have one left, but I don't know if I keep it. I put it away already because I saved it. Because I didn't think I am because I'm pills yun. Never ako nag-stop ng pills, and then everyday ang pill to. I think it's in that box here. So, tingnan natin, try natin. Maybe I will do later. Pero I'm pretty sure I'm not. Sunday today, and Frank is going back sa to the house. Babalik na si Frank na naman sa trabaho. And then, andito pala yung mga kids. Busy kami. Ang bahay namin guys, hindi na maitsura. Hindi na talaga siya maitsura. Dito sila lahat. Wala na akong tripod kan. Tripod ko na put away ko. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nilagay. Nandito sa lahat. Ang kalat-kalat ng bahay, oy. Nanonood sila ng makapiright tayo. What is that, Francis? Yeah? Ay, papawaon mo kung Francis, oy. Netflix man ata yung pinapanood nila. Dito tayo sa Uy, may parakulay hayun, oh. Mga jackets yan, eh. Dito tayo sa kusina. Malinis tong kusina namin. At least ang kusina malinis. Walang tripod, kaya ganyan lang, eh. Ayan, yun nga. Kahapon, grabe guys. Pagkagising ko, kahapon, very busy sila dito sa bahay kasi dinala ni Frank yung ibang tools at isang washing machine namin na nasa basement kasi nga 4 yung washing machine namin, diba? Kaloka. Ang dalawa, nabenta ko siya sa Facebook Marketplace. Nabenta ko siya ng 30 euros at 50 euros yung isa. And all are working. All are working. Ganito kasi yan yung isa. Bigay nung aka binan ko. Hindi ko talaga siya binan kasi hindi naman yan siya totoong parents ni ni Frank. And then, yung isa naman is old namin, na akala namin nasira. Tinanggal namin siya dito sa taas. And hindi siya nag-work. Akala namin guba. Hindi pala sira. Turn out na ang tube lang pala dito sa kusina ang sira. Tapos nakabili na kami ng bago. Ito yung nandito. And then yung isa naman is binigay lang sa amin yan. Bagong-bago binigay sa amin. And then mayroon na kami yan eh. So ayun. Kaya naging 4. Kaya binenta namin yung 2 luma. At ang 2 bago ang kinip namin. Yung isa dinala na ni Frank kahapon sa bahay. And then yung floor. At saka ibang tools para gamit sa painting. 2 weeks na lang kami guys dito sa bahay guys. At aalis na kami. Maghalay pa man kong jacket eh. Hindi ako magluluto today kasi nagluto si Ella kagabi nakaluto si Ella ng meat. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Busy yan sila dyan. Ang kalat dito sa sala. You dance? Ang mga nawong concentrate kay sa TV. Idol man na niya ng unicorn good. O yan na, Pinkie Pie. Yeah, it's okay, brother. It's okay. What does he want? He wants to play with you?
In the TV.
In the TV?
Yeah. Yeah, Mama, in the shadow.
Okay. Yeah. Makapiright man ta ko ara tagtasa. Dito ko na nilagay yung tasa kasi doon na namin nilalagay yung wala akong tripod kasi doon na namin nilagay yung aming mga gamit sa kusina guys kasi tatry na may bibili ng aming kusina pero hindi pa sure kung hindi siya mabibenta. So ipuputaway na lang namin to kasi dapat pag aalis kami dito sa apartment dapat layer na. Empty na ba? Wala na itong kusina. Lahat itong kusina. Then, tinry namin siyang ibenta for very cheap price together with the fridge. Free na. Kasi sayang din naman kung itatapon mo lang to. So, at least magamit ng ibang tao. Yun nga. Kung walang bibili, kung hindi namin siya maibenta, gusto ko kasi itong kusina na to guys. Kasi meron siyang ganito. Although, yung bago naming kusina, yung bago naming kusina, merong mga ganit niya ba? Sayang naman kasi itapon to, Okay pa to ba? Nilinis ko na siya para sa kung sino man ang siguro ibibigay namin sa aming neighbor. O, ewan ko, mabinta ni. Okay pa to nilinis ko na nga. Tapos meron siyang hindi siya mabundak. Bundak, ano ba yan Ayan, madaming drawer, ayan. Tapos ibibigay namin to sali to sa pagbigay. Pero dadalhin namin yung oven, itong dishwasher kasi bago yan, at itong washing machine. Pero yung fridge, ibibigay na natin yan. I-appeal na natin. I-pray na natin yung fridge. Mag-init ako ng milk. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-coffee today. So that is my first coffee. Then inom muna tayo ng tubig. Sa gripo lang ako mainom ng tubig dito. Naiinom na ng tubig dito. Ay. Sabi ni Mayor, kabuhi daw ko. I-open ko na daw yung niya. Dahil feeling niya kabuhi. Tambal daw sa kabuhi. May pimple ako dito. How do you get on there? Di pa talaga siya natapos dyan. So, i-unbox ko to. Unbox natin to yung paano. Sabi ni Mayor, kay na daw to? All around gift. Is this all around Mayor? It's gonna be confirmed.
Huh?
Is this all around gift?
Yeah, what did I say? Birthday, Christmas, birthday, and anniversary. All in one!
All in one?
For that price!
Ay, Meron tayong bagong phone. Unbox natin to. Pero hindi natin unbox ito kasi maingay. I need to pass. Just rip it off. Maybe we don't need that anymore.
I try.
Do we still have some of this in the other stuff?
Yeah, we have. Down in the basement.
Hindi pa ako makalabas kasi nasa portahan si Frank. Tagal niyang nagkuhan. Feeling ko na over, ano mo yan siya. You made it so tight, Manggod, no? So the corn will be stable. Do you still need to remove the wallpaper here?
No.
No need? Okay.
Maybe just fill the holes.
Okay. Ganyan dito, guys, if you move out in the house. Normally, you have to take out everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pero sa contract ni Frank, nilagay niya, you don't need to. But I think you need to fill the holes here. Ang dami kasing daming holes. Kailangan yan i-filled. So, labas tayo dito. Now, there's a now in my shoes there.
What?
There's a dirt now from...
When you leave that here?
Oh, it's gonna fall to you, I leave that because I didn't think na aday kay i-drill dra. So, sakong layhay yun. Naog sa baba kasi ako maglalayhay. First, dito pala yung niluto nila o yung sarap niya. Para siyang, lump of pork meat. Hindi kasi ako nakakain kagabi. Tinirhan nila ako. Kumain na ako and still na meron pang So, mag-unbox tayo. Unbox natin to, guys. Tapos, yung lumang phone ko, mapupunta kang Frank. Ganyan kasi ang aming setup dito. Pag mayroon akong new phone, sa kanya yung bago. Ano to, guys? iPhone 13. Oh my God. Sabi niya, tambal dos kabuhi. Ayan siya, guys. iPhone 13. Yung pink na iPhone 13. Unbox natin. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng bagong phone pero gustong-gusto ni Frank yung iPhone 11 ko kasi gusto niya sa pang-film. Then sabi, hindi kaya yan siya. Patanggal. So, unbox na natin. Ayun. Tinanggal ko siya dito. I think this is... Oh my God! Oh my God! Hello! Oh my God, guys! Ito na! Walang charger? Oo nga, wala palang charger ang iPhone 13. Walang cable lang ibibigay sa'yo. Ayan. There's a cable. Ito na yung iPhone. Oh my God! Hala, ang ganda ng pink. Para siyang baby pink na... Tanggalin na natin to. Tanggalin na natin. Nag-focus ba? Focus first. Ting! Ayun ko lang siya in-open. Kasi hindi... Kailangan kasi ni Frank yung iPhone 11. Gagamitin na niya. Kasi meron siyang aatenan na next week. So, gusto niya gamitin yung iPhone 11. Maganda kasi siya sa filming. Ang iPhone 11 maganda din sa filming. So, how much more this one? This one is good and may cinematic to. Kaya to binili ni Frank. Maganda daw sa pag-vlog ko. And then, ayun na, sabi ko sa kanya, bakit pink yung pinili mo? Kasi daw gusto ko daw. Favorite color ko kasi yung pink. Ayun, guys. Ayun. That's the iPhone 11. Ay, iPhone 13. Binali lang yung camera. Pag ganyan lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung iPhone 11. So, ito yung iPhone 11. Ayan. Ganyan yung camera dito. And then, very ganda. Maganda to siya, guys, pang filming. Ginagamit ko to siya pag vlog to. Pero ito, it's only 64 GB. And this one, ang binili ni Frank ngayon is 512, I think, or 500. Basta 512, 500 something siya GB. So, at least, ang laki niya, sabi niya, hindi na daw ako mafu-full. Kasi, yung kasi, itong 11 ko, siya, ba to? Dito kasi ako nag-i-edit, guys. Hindi ako nag-i-edit sa laptop. Kasi, for me, mas magandang mag-edit sa phone kasi kahit saan ako kahit nasa bed ako nakakapag-edit or nasa toilet or something. Kaya nag-i-edit ako. Hello! Can you give that back to Ate Francine? Dago ay. Give it back to Ate Francine. Ang luod mo ng kigol. So, ito, maganda to siya, pero lagi akong na-full kasi, di ba, ang videos ko galing sa Canon G7X ko. Tapos, tina-transfer ko sa phone. Sa phone ko siya ini-edit. Then, lagi siyang na-full, kaya minsan hindi ako nakakapag-upload kasi pag dina-download ko siya, hindi siya enough ang space. So, ang in-order ni Frank this time is 512 GB or gigabyte. Grabe, ang laki. Hindi tayo mafu-full. And then, meron tayong cable. Cable lang ngayon. And then, ito yung ano niya. Nandito yung para sa SIM. Pagtatanggalin mo yung SIM. And then, meron silang pa-Apple sticker. Ayan. Madami na akong Apple sticker. Ayan. So, gagamitin ko na to siya ngayon. But first, switch on natin. Saan ang on ito? SIM lang ata. Switch on natin. Tadaan! Maganda siya na pagka-pink, guys. Para siyang baby pink. Maganda yung pink. Maganda. Hello. Ganyan talaga always. May paano sila. Yan. English. Select your country or region. Ayan ba? Yung isa po na busy. Punikuan ang isa. What do you want to do? Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy.
I'm Francine. Wow.
You're Francine? Are you?
Yeah.
Are you Francine?
What's your name?
Francine forward.
Francine Forward. How old are you? Show me. How much is that? Suway.
Dry.
Dry! How much is that ko no ano si mama?
You're so slow.
Nee, da muss er sortiert werden.
You can take off already, Beverly. Out. That helicopter wood in there. Oh, it's from mine, ba na? No, that one? That's from mine. Remember?
Yeah, I know. That's why I put it.
And if you break it, when you and Adrian is assembling that. Busy po din. Ano yun siya kasabot sa inyo? Oh. Si Francis. Ay, ginoo ko. Kailan pa ito matapos? Ang kalat na ng bahay namin, oy. Kalat na. Hindi pa din natapos yung phone. Wait. Finishing na siya. You found a car? Nging, 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 nging. Nging, 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 nging. Sapato dyan, oy. Nging, nging, nging. Yep. Nging, 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 nging.
Hello.
Nging, nging, nging. Duwang. Not that you fall. She's afraid. She's afraid. Put down your head down. She's afraid. Put her down. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that, guys. Ang half na lang ng laminate ang natira. Kailangan kasi namin siyang tanggalin. See? Kailangan pagbalik namin dito, ay pag alis namin, wala na tong laminate. Kasi hindi to sa kanila, sa amin kasi to. So, then, kailangan lang ni Frank siguro magtapak sa mga holes. Tapakan lang na niya. What? Vanessa, put her down. Put her down. So, ito yung original floor. Ito before. So, tinanggal na namin yung ibang laminate. Yung iba na, yung sa bedside na lang ang hindi. Sa kusina at saka sa office ni Frank. Yeah! Dami pang gagawin. Uy! Madami-dami pang gagawin. Dami pang gagawin. Inimpul talaga ako dito. Alas na ipapako eh magamit na kinainan namin at saka gamit sa kusina. Ay, kung gamit sa kusina. Hindi ko kasi pinakpalahat kasi nagluluto pa ko eh. And then, mga clothes namin. Yun yung last na aming ipapak. Dito, oh, kalat. Ay, napay boxes diri, day. Napay boxes diri. Nag-label kasi kami.
The big one.
For the big ones. Oh, awat po ng isa. Oh.
Ceiling heating?
What? There's a ceiling heating now? Baby, I wanna take the long way. Duka ako, gaduka.
Infrared heating.
Why do you get that?
Well, because I asked for that.
How about all those wines there?
Which one am I in? Yeah.
Is that not enough?
Check that then.
Since earlier, kain tayo nito. Parang soup ba? I'm craving for soup. Where's the sarap nito. Spinach na ano ba? Para siyang may sabaw. No? Kita nyo? Spinach na may sabaw. Why you didn't have a spoon here? Ay, that's enough. Uy, I think. Masarap to siya, guys. Yan. The tripod I put away and I don't know where is that box.
You just had that box open earlier, no?
I don't know now. So I used that without box now. Sarap to siya, guys. Spinach, dayon, pasta ba. I like this one para mainitan ang tiyan. Since from the suka, what is puking or vomiting in English. Walay spoon. This is how you eat when you are a cowgirl.
I know.
I share.
You share. I made it.
Okay. You share to me small only.
Yeah.
But that's a onesies too. So many onesies. There's still one package there, right?
No, I don't think so.
The one with chicken?
No.
There's still more. The chicken with mushroom.
One piece. One pack of milk peas. That's it.
That's good?
Ja.
Okay. I got spoon.
Frühlingsrolle kannst du machen.
Wala na ba tayo fridge dito, no? You have no freezer there, no?
No, you want to buy your fridge, don't you? So, also, by the way, there's something I want to tell you. Look at there's more peas here. You can make a really... What's this?
Some heat ice. What? You can make what?
You can make a piece out of peas something.
Herbs gemüse. Herbs soup.
Erbsensuppe, yeah.
Yeah, the one that you eat there, no?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do that?
No.
No?
That's why I only...
You are a German, but how come you
That's
don't
why
know?
I only eat it there.
How come you don't know? You're a German.
I don't like Eintopf, so therefore I don't know how to do it.
You will die. You will die if you marry this guy. Then you don't know how to cook yourself.
I know how to cook, but like, you know,
What?
big food, like, you know, for big guys.
Oh, okay. That. What is that? Nubla? Nubla. What is that? Nubel? That Krustenbraten.
Krustenbraten, yeah.
But all you need to do is put that in the oven. Yeah. So what are you trying to say to me? What are you doing now?
I want to do something because I got a tip.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything yet. I want to talk to you about that.
I'm gonna switch off this one
Oh,
because
she's gonna kill me now. No, leave that on. I need evidence. It's a murder here.
I do this normal video. So it's you.
But the cinematic is probably the thing.
The one is
the
blurry.
background is
Yeah.
blurry.
And you can use also the